Learn how to make or how to cook Maandazi for business with Chef Josh on CCCC. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe. We need wheat flour 900 grams, sugar 150 grams, calcium 5 grams, yeast 5 grams, sugar 2 grams, improver 1 gram, oil 17 mils, prestige 17 grams. We need vanilla and egg yellow. So you need to buy a weighing scale if you need to do this for business. You need to buy a weighing scale if you need to do this for business. So wheat flour, we measure 900 grams, we put in the bowl. Then yeast 5 grams, we apply it in the bowl. Then we measure calcium 5 grams. Calcium will work like a preservative. We apply it in the bowl. Salt 5 grams. We also apply it in a bowl. This is Chef Joshua CCC. Then improver or frying improver 1 gram. We also apply it in a bowl, in the mixing bowl where we apply the dry ingredients. Then after that, we are going to first mix like for 5 minutes. So you make it slowly by slowly. You mix for 5 minutes. Then after, we are going to measure prestige margarine or unsalted butter 17 grams. We also apply them in the bowl. Then after, we are going to also put cooking oil 3 teaspoons or 17 mils. Then we are going to also apply vanilla essence or vanilla flavor 1 tablespoon. Then we are going to rub until sun texture. In another bowl, we are going to measure sugar 150 grams. We are going to measure sugar 150 grams, apply 1 pinch of egg yellow, then apply 1 cup of water or 500 mils of water. Then mix the sugar until the sugar dissolves. Then make sure that you rub. Make sure that you rub. After, get the sugar mixture, you apply it in the dry in the dry ingredients. So start mixing or start kneading slowly by slowly by slowly. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for daily recipes. So you're going to need for like 10 to 15 minutes. You're going to need for like 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure that you knead until you see your dough is very soft. Make sure that you knead until you see your dough is too soft. That means you have to knead for like 10 to 20 minutes. You have to knead for 10 to 20 minutes until your dough is soft. We need the dough totally soft. Don't add any more ingredients. Don't add any more water. So make sure that, like you see, remember the way you see it is the way you can do it from my kitchen to your kitchen and you feel the taste. So after you're going to roll, then you cut into box size or box form your Maandazi. Remember, we are doing Maandazi for business. We are doing Maandazi for business. So you cut into box form. You first roll, and then after you cut into box form. Then after, we are going to put on the flat surface. You can use a tray or you can use a table. After putting on the table, you make sure that if you can access sunshine, you put where sunshine can reach, so that the Maandazi can prove. Then when they prove the first side, then you turn the you turn the second side. Make sure that you don't leave them for a long period of time. When they prove, you remove them. Then we deep fry the Maandazi. So you're going to deep fry. You can see them, they have doubled in size. You make sure that they have doubled in size. Then we are going to deep fry until golden brown. Make sure that the oil is not too hot and it's not too cold. If it is too hot, your Maandazi will not form that crunchy texture, will not form that brokerage texture. So make sure that you deep fry on low heat, not too hot and not too cold. This is Chef Joshua CCC. For the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for daily recipes. Let us share this video so that it can reach to more people.